Hi there, kids! Welcome to my vlog, where we'll have some fun together and learn some cool stuff. First things first, I'm here to make your day a little more exciting. In today's vlog, we're going to talk about social media and how to use it safely and responsibly. Nowadays, social media is an important part of our lives. We use it to connect with our friends and family, share our thoughts and ideas, and even learn new things. But with all these benefits come some risks that we need to be aware of. The first thing to remember is to always ask your parents or a responsible adult before you create an account on any social media platform. They can help you choose a safe and appropriate platform and guide you through the setup process. Secondly, it's important to keep your personal information private. Don't share your full name, address, phone number, or any other personal details on social media. This information could be used by strangers to harm you or your family. Thirdly, always think before you post. Whatever you post online can stay there forever, and it could affect your future. So, make sure to share only what you're comfortable with and what you wouldn't mind your parents or teachers seeing. Lastly, it's important to be kind and respectful to others on social media. Cyberbullying is a real problem, and it can have serious consequences. So, always treat others the way you would like to be treated, and report any inappropriate behavior to a responsible adult. That's it for today's vlog, kids! Remember, social media can be a great tool if used responsibly, so stay safe and have fun! See you next time! Thanks for watching!